How many?
Draco doesn't have them after all.
How many?
Hundreds. A whole island full.
I wouldn't worry about it. My men are hunting them down as we speak. They won't know where you're hiding, I promise you that.
Oh, yes, they will. They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic.
You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to.
Fine, but remember, you wanted this.
Turns out there's a whole bunch of them out there.